The radius is one of the two long bones of the forearm, the other forearm bone being the ulna. The radius forms part of the elbow joint and part of the wrist joint. The radius meets the humerus at the elbow. This cylindrical portion is the head of the radius. This is covered with articular cartilage, so it can glide smoothly against the capitellum of the humerus. The bone then narrows at the neck. Near the neck is the radial tuberosity. This is one of two places where the radius fits up against the ulna. The radial tuberosity also provides an attachment point for the biceps tendon. The upper part of the radius, including the head, neck, and radial tuberosity, is the proximal end, or the end closest to the center of the body. As we follow the shaft of the radius, we reach the lower or distal end of the radius. This is where the radius meets the wrist. The back of the wrist is called the dorsal side. The front of the radius, the same side as the palm of the hand, is known as the palmar or volar side. At the distal radius, we have another site where the radius fits against the ulna, the ulnar notch. The point of the radius is known as the radial styloid. The end of the distal radius is covered with articular cartilage where it meets the small carpal bones of the wrist. Valleys in the radius are shaped to form to two of the carpals, the scaphoid and the lunate. These valleys are known as the scaphoid fossa and the lunate fossa.